Good morning to my fellow history teacher, Shannon. This is a quick video just for you on how to set up the Class Connects in any way, shape, or form you want. We're going to go over how to set up the Class Connects, then we're going to go over how to create the Class Connects, then we're going to talk about how to modify the Class Connects, probably not all in that order. First off, welcome to the OLS page. Just go ahead and log in. First thing we're going to do is go up to My Schedule. And actually, I think the first thing we're going to do is change the Monday and Wednesday schedule to show you how to add a person. So go to this week's session here and wait an interminably long time for the system to wake up. Click on date, which might be outside the screen. Then let's click on Monday, the 12th. Now here's the thing. Notice some things about it. Your time is over here. Whether it's optional or required is here. I didn't know I had a referral meeting. Okay. Good to know. It pays to check on this thing sometimes. Let's look at the first one, small group. All our classes right now, since they're broken up into groups, are small groups. And you don't do that. Go over here to view and edit. Cancel. Cancel. Yeah, I'm a little punchy. I'm making some mistakes. Go to view edit. And this is how you can correct any mistakes or if you need to add or take away people. Okay, history. 10th, American history, me. This is group B. It's targeted. History, you're going to cover both the regular and the advanced. And there are no programs in this group. We're not changing it for anything that. Okay, time. 30 minutes. All classes are 30 minutes. Now you come down here. Repeat sessions. When you're setting up the sessions, you want to do this. You click on, you go weekly, Monday through Wednesday. You can either put a total number of sessions or you can put an end date. It's just easier to go ahead and put the end date. Click this, then this pops up and you can pop up and you have a calendar. Continue. Here's how you load the people. First thing up, school, ALDCA. That's our school, that's cool. Select a role, you click this. Students, learning coach, teacher, administrator. Well, we're adding you to this group, so we go teacher, and then we go search. Then alphabetically, go to the M's. You go Shannon McGee. Teachers are always optional. And you see that number went up by 1. After that, you hit continue. Then update session. Now you are added to all the 10th grade history sessions for group B. Let's do this one more time without the mistakes. Again, this is for group C. There are 3 10th grade groups right now. Continue. Dates. Monday, Wednesday, end date. Again, select the role, teacher. Search. Notice 43 right now. When I add you, it's going to go up to 44 participants. And again, continue. Update session. Okay. And one last time because, well, I have 3 groups and need to invite you to all of them. Okay, again, all this stuff is the same. Again, select a role, select teacher. Hit the search button. Find the name. They're alphabetical. Now I can click on my name and put it over, but since I'm the teacher of the session, it doesn't really matter. You're a teacher, so you're going to automatically become a moderator for this. Continue and update sessions. Now, if you look at this, Shannon, you're going to find that you are listed for all 3 of these in perpetuity. Well, for as long as I've got the course listed, you're invited to all the sessions. All right. That's how you modify an update. But how do you create a new one? Well, let's take a look at that too. First thing first, back up to my schedule. Schedule new. Wait a long time. Sometimes a really long time. There we go. The first thing you need to worry about is session type. Click on this. You'll notice you have classroom, homeroom, office hours, assembly, conference, or small group. Okay, the only two you're going to have to really worry about for this session are homeroom and small group. We're going to do small group here. Now, small group limits it to people you actually invite. If you do classroom, you invite every ninth grader. If you do homeroom, you do your homeroom. So much and so forth. Now, you can invite one person, you can invite up to 250. Next thing, session name. Okay, you're taking over 10th, so we're going to go 10th. Of course, it'd help if I clicked on it. 10th underscore American history. Yeah, let's capitalize it, just make it look neat. History. Let's spell it correctly. History. We're going to put your name on this one. MCGEE. Okay. Now, since it's a small group, I want you to go ahead and hit targeted. We are history teachers, so come down and select history. Okay, courses. Click on the course box, and all the history courses for high school are going to pop up. 10th grade is 3, so we're going to go to 303A. Click on it again. And then go to 304, honors history. Program. Click on this. It is always none. Then hit continue. Now here's where you set up the time. I'm going to delete this one once it gets set up. But if you look here, let's pick a date. Yeah, I'll pick Friday the 16th. 30 minutes, never repeat. Here are your options. You have never repeat, daily. I have never had to do a course every day, weekly, or every other week. Okay. Weekly is what we like to do when we're setting up our classrooms. If this is standard one-on-one session, you hit weekly and pick one date. Daily sets it up every single day. Excuse me, I'm sorry. But in this case, we're going to hit never repeat. Now here, very important on the time. Watch the AM and PM. The first two courses I set for PM. So it got to be 9:30 PM. I'm sitting here logging in at 9:30 AM, which I think it's 4. Students are confused. I'm confused. So make sure you watch the time. If your course is at 9:30 AM, make sure it says 9:30 AM. Okay. And then once that's set up, you go to continue. Now this is where you invite it. This is just going to be you and me because I'm only doing this as an example, but select a role, teachers, go search. And then you just go through the list, I can talk. Find the teachers you want to invite, optional. Now remember, again, if it's students, it is required. 99% of the time, if you're picking students, it's required. Every time you invite a teacher to your class, it's optional. Jekyll, and let's make it required. But again, see, I'm the teacher of this, so it doesn't really matter. Now here's the thing, important to realize. When you go to students, you've got several different ways to pick them out. If you want to deal with the entire 9th grade, you click 9th and search. And it's going to give you every ninth grade student involved. I should have done 10th. Oh well. Lesson still works. Okay, and this is Peyton Abrams, Guy Acosta. Okay, this is all our 10th graders. That's one way to do it. This is the entire group. You can also go up here, click Filter by, My Classrooms, My Groups. Let's go by My Groups. And you've got history groups A, B, and C, because I said there are 3 groups. You click on one of the groups, you hit search, and then all of them go into the participants. But as I said again, we're not doing this. This is more of a training session. So at this point, we hit continue. And at this point, we hit schedule sessions. And we wait till the loading screen goes away. It's taking its sweet time, isn't it? Oh, session creation failed because I didn't put any students in here. All right. That is how you do it. Now, if the session fails in your actual lesson, then you're going to have to go back, go back to participants, and then you hit this. Yes, all the students are optional, and there are 36. Then you hit continue. Now let's see what happens when we schedule the session. Your Class Connect session has been scheduled successfully. Check your session list to see if it's on your schedule. That's a good sign. See, for some reason I knew we were going to have to schedule students with that. All right, so let's check this. We made it on the 16th, so we click this week's session, come up to the calendar, go to the 16th. And here, 9:30 to 10, small group, 10th American History McGee. Now, I'm the one created it, so it's my session. When you create it, your name will be here. And then you will be the teacher here. Now it's kind of like, oh my goodness, this needed to be Miss McGee's class. So you just come here, hit the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete? Why, yeah, I think we do. Boom. Now, Shannon, that's the quick and dirty way to set up a Class Connect. We hit the highlights. If you have any questions, just go ahead and contact me. You have a great day.